The California Highway Patrol in Los Angeles County is investigating the abduction of a child with his mother. Reynaldo Gonzalez is a white male, 3 feet 6 inches tall with short brown hair, brown eyes. The mother, Christiana Gonzalez, is a 35-year-old white female, 5 feet 6 inches tall with long brown hair and brown eyes. The clothing of these 2 victims is not known. The suspect is unknown at this time. Reynaldo and Christina Gonzalez were abducted on March 6, 2020, at approximately 800 hours Los Angeles County. The suspect vehicle is a Toyota 2016 4Runner Silver with a California license plate 7VGY 615. If you have any information regarding this abduction, immediately call 911.